In this question, we just have a quadratic that needs to be simplified. So the first thing you need to do is write it out twice. So we have the square root of 16x minus the square root of x times the square root of 16x minus the square root of x. Now, in order to FOIL, you just need to multiply first times first, outside, outside, inside, inside, and last, last. So first times first is the square root of 16x times itself. Now, the square root of anything times itself is just simply what is written inside of the house or the square root symbol. So that just means that that equals 16x. Think about the square root of 25 is 5, and that times itself is 25. So the square root of 25 times itself is just 25. All right, so now we have to do outside and inside. So outside is the square root of 16x times negative the square root of x. Well, that will become negative anything. So we have negative times the square root of 16x squared. Because with radicals, if you multiply, you can put it all together into the same place. So we have 16 times x squared. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x squared is x. So we just have negative 4x. Now, inside is actually the same as outside. 16, or the square root of 16x times negative, the square root of x again. And again, that would be negative 4x. So the inside and the outside combined to negative 8x. So we start off with 16x, negative 8x. And then last times last is the negative square root of x times negative square root of x. Negative times a negative is a positive. Square root of anything times itself, again, is just what is written inside of the radical symbol, which is x. So we have a plus x at the end. This leaves us with a total of 9x. Now, there is one way to do this question really simply. If you were to imagine any number for x, let's just say you plug in 1 for x. We can solve for what this expression must be, plugging in x, and determine which answer equals that given our value of x. So for example, if we just plug in 1, we get the square root of 16 for the first part, that is 4. And then obviously the square root of 1 is 1. So we have 4 minus 1, which is 3 squared. That's 9. Plugging in the number we have chosen for x into all of the answers, only 9x equals 9. So that's the answer.
Hi, I'm Tyler, co-founder and CEO at Achievable, and if you love this video, you'll love our GRE course. Achievable's GRE course includes a full online textbook on all GRE topics, videos just like this one on dozens of key topics, a built-in study planner, machine learning instant essay grader that provides actionable feedback, hundreds of practice questions on all topics, and full-length practice exams. Our GRE course is very competitively priced, and you can try it out for free to see if our style is right for you. Follow the links below in the description to get started.